Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're glad you've joined us once again. Chapter 1. Introduction to UCC1 Financing Statement. Have you ever wondered how to gain more control over your real estate investments? Today we're going to unlock the power of a tool that can significantly enhance your control over LLCs in real estate transactions. This tool is the UCC1 Financing Statement. The Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, governs commercial transactions in the United States. A UCC1 financing statement is a legal document that serves as a public record. It informs other potential creditors that you, as an investor or lender, have a security interest in the assets of the debtor. In this case, the limited partner, LLC. The UCC1 becomes your best friend when you want to secure your interest in the assets of the LLC. It ensures priority over other creditors and maintains control in certain scenarios. Chapter 2. Use UCC1 for added control and safety. Now, how do you utilize a UCC1 for added control and safety? For example, suppose you have extended a significant loan to your partner LLC to fund a real estate project. Filing a UCC1 against the LLC's assets acts as a protective measure. It signals to other potential creditors that you have a secured interest in the property. This added security can be crucial in case of default or insolvency. Pay the required filing fees and don't forget to obtain a filed stamped copy of the UCC1 for your records. Firstly, consult legal professionals to ensure compliance with UCC1 filing requirements in your jurisdiction. Then, prepare and file a UCC1 financing statement with the appropriate filing office. Make sure to clearly identify the limited partner LLC and the specific assets or collateral against which the security interest is claimed. Chapter 3. Gaining control over LLC activities with UCC1. But what if you want to gain control over the LLC activities with a UCC1? Consider a scenario where your LLC is engaged in a joint venture for the development of a commercial property. By filing a UCC1 with clear control provisions, you have the ability to influence major decisions related to the project. This strategic use of the UCC1 ensures that your interests align with the overall success of the venture. Include specific language in the UCC1 describing the nature and extent of the security interest, outlining control provisions. Regularly monitor the LLC's activities and financial health to ensure compliance with the terms outlined in the UCC1. In the event of non-compliance or default, exercise the rights afforded by the UCC1 to protect your interests, which may include taking possession of the secured assets. Chapter 4. UCC1 as a lien on the LLC. Suppose your LLC is acquiring multiple properties as part of its real estate portfolio. Filing a UCC1 as a lien on the LLC's assets provides you with a secured position. In the event of a sale or refinancing, the UCC1 ensures that your security interest is recognized and the proceeds are appropriately allocated. Draft the UCC1 to explicitly state that it constitutes a security interest or lien on the limited partner LLC's assets. Maintain accurate records of the UCC1 filing, including the date, collateral description, and any amendments made during the term of the security interest. Regularly review and update the UCC1 as needed to reflect changes in the nature or extent of the security interest. Chapter 5. UCC1. To secure personal loans. As an investor, providing a personal loan to a fellow investor or business associate for a real estate venture, filing a UCC1 against their personal assets can act as a safeguard. This strategy enhances the likelihood of repayment, providing an additional layer of security in case of default. Consult legal professionals to ensure compliance with UCC1 filing requirements in the relevant jurisdiction. Clearly outline the secured interest in the UCC1 filing, specifying personal assets against which the security interest is claimed. Regularly review and update the UCC1 to reflect changes in the nature or extent of the security interest. Chapter 6. UCC1 for asset-based financing in commercial real estate. Securing financing for a commercial real estate project where the loan is backed by specific assets, such as the property itself or equipment. Filing a UCC1 against these assets enhances the lender's security interest and streamlines the foreclosure process in case of default. Collaborate with legal experts to structure the UCC1 to align with the terms of the asset-based loan. Ensure accurate and timely filing of the UCC1, providing a clear record of the security interest in the relevant assets. Regularly update the UCC1 to reflect any changes or additional assets involved in the financing arrangement. Chapter 7, UCC1, for seller financing in real estate transactions. Imagine you are participating in a real estate transaction where the seller provides financing for the buyer. Filing a UCC1 against the purchased property or other agreed-upon collateral ensures the seller's security interest and facilitates a smoother resolution in case of default. File the UCC1 promptly after the transaction, clearly identifying the collateral and terms of the security interest. Regularly review and update the UCC1 to adapt to any changes in the financing arrangement. Chapter 8, UCC1, for securing interests in intellectual property. Engaging in a real estate venture where intellectual property such as patents or trademarks plays a significant role. Filing a UCC1 against these intangible assets can secure an investor's interests and influence decisions related to their use or licensing. Collaborate with legal experts to navigate the complexities of filing a UCC1 against intellectual property. Clearly articulate the nature and scope of the security interest in the filing, considering the unique characteristics of intellectual assets. Regularly assess and update the UCC1 to reflect any changes in the intellectual property portfolio. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to watch our other video, UCC1V's Traditional Liens, What's the Difference? Are you looking for a great realtor? Connect with Nate Morris today. Nate Morris, MBA/PMP, has the credentials and experience you need and deserve in your realtor. Equipped with decades of local market knowledge and a friendly, professional demeanor, Nate is determined to leave a lasting mark in the hearts and minds of his clients. Find Nate today at goldenvalleyrealtor.com, eganrealtor.com, fridleyrealtor.com, anokarealtor.com, and dinkytownrealtor.com. 763-645-4617. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.